Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to improve your business credit score on Experian. Alright, so if you've been wondering how to improve your business credit score, here's a video for you on how to get that done. I'm going to give you a quick video. It's going to be a short step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is make on-time payments. So payment history accounts for about 35% of your business credit score. So making on-time payments is crucial to getting that 35%. Next, you need to keep credit utilization low, and that's because credit utilization ideally you need to keep that below 30%, because that also affects your credit, business credit. Next, you want to make sure that you monitor your business credit report. So you're going to make sure you regularly review your business credit report, and that's going to help you to ensure accuracy and that you're up to date on all of that information. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to improve your business credit score on Experian. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.